What curly hair products will suit my hair, ma'am? This is the most asked question in my channel. This video is regarding how to choose products for your curly hair. Hi guys, I'm Sandhana from Pretty Cuts and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here to help you understand your hair care, skincare, makeup and fashion better. If it sounds good, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप कैसे अपने कर्ली हेयर के लिए प्रोडक्ट्स चूज कर सकते हैं खुद से ही. From shampoo, conditioner, gel, hair cream, leave-in conditioner, sprays, mousse, custard, everything I will share. But all of these you don't want. So keep on watching and hit the bell button if you haven't. So basically to choose products for your curly hair, you need to understand few things. One is texture, that your hair is fine or coarse. Porosity, what is low porosity and what is high porosity, and your scalp type, is it dry or it is oily. So starting with the first thing, that is shampoo. You have to use two types of shampoo. One is clarifying shampoo and one is moisturizing shampoos. In that case, shampoo आप choose करो आपके scalp type के ऊपर depend करके. So curl type, is it dry or oily? If you have dry scalp, then you need a moisturizing shampoo rather than a clarifying shampoo. You can clarify once a month or twice a month or once in 15 days. If you have a oily scalp, then I will suggest you to invest in a clarifying shampoo and moisturizing shampoo both. If you are washing your hair frequently, then use a moisturizing shampoo, and once a week you have to clarify your hair with a clarifying shampoo. So whether you have dry scalp or whether you have oily scalp, you have to use two types of shampoo. One is clarifying shampoo and one is moisturizing shampoo. Clarifying shampoo which clarifies your scalp and remove buildups and oils from your hair. What is moisturizing shampoo? That cannot remove buildup and oils from your hair, but it can moisturize. It is not that harsh on your hair. I will mention some clarifying shampoos, some moisturizing shampoos here. In the description box, you can find all of these links and you can purchase from there. Here is a term called co-wash. Co-wash means conditioner shampoo in one product. You can use it if you wash your hair very frequently. But in a week, if you are using co-wash 2 to 3 times, then you have to use a clarifying shampoo once or twice in that week. So the next product is conditioner or hair mask. So why we use conditioner? To moisturize our hair. After shampooing, our hair lacks moisture. That's why we need a product to get back that moisture, and conditioner hair mask does that for us. So you need to search for a conditioner hair mask which has a great sleep, because we have curly hair and we have to detangle it in the shower after applying conditioner. So a great sleep conditioner hair mask is must. So how to choose if you need conditioner or if you need a hair mask? So let me clear first thing that what is fine hair, what is coarse hair. Take a thread and take one of your hair strand and measure it. If you think that your hair strand is thicker than the thread, then you have coarse hair or vice versa. Conditioner is lightweight than hair mask, and conditioner is not that thick, not that it doesn't have that much moisture that a hair mask has. So this is why if you have fine hair, then go for conditioner, and if you have coarse hair, then go for hair mask for sure. I normally ask people to buy hair mask because you can use it as a conditioner and you can use it as a DC, that is deep conditioner, for once a week for 15 minutes, and for conditioner purpose you have to use it for 4 to 5 minutes only. So here comes another thing, that is porosity. So low porosity means your hair is not that damaged. Your hair doesn't need that much protein or any healthy ingredients, any rich things. But if you have high porosity, that means your cuticles are already open and your hair is not moisturized enough. Your hair is damaged. That means that you need a rich product, that products which can lock in moisture and which can provide a rich moisture to your hair. So in that case, I always say go for hair mask. But that doesn't mean that if you have low porosity hair, you can't use a hair mask. You can use. If you have coarse hair, go for hair mask. Even if you have low porosity hair. I have low porosity hair, but I use hair mask only. Just make sure that you are not using protein hair mask daily if you have low porosity hair, or protein conditioner daily. Okay, so you can use once a week. I will share some conditioner and hair mask here, and all of these links are in the description box. You can purchase from. The next is leave-in conditioner or curl cream. So what is the difference between leave-in conditioner or curl cream? Leave-in conditioner is lightweight. It doesn't have such hold or it doesn't give such definition, but it gives a little moisture. But curl cream is thick in consistency rather than leave-in conditioner. It is rich. It gives a lot of moisture. It has a soft hold as well. It can define your hair also. So if you have very fine hair, then go for leave-in conditioner. Or if you have coarse hair or medium coarse hair, then go for curl cream. These are some leave-in conditioners and these are some curl creams. You can find these links in the description box and you can purchase from there. Basically, leave-in is lightweight than curl cream. So in that case also, if you have low porosity hair, go for moisture-based leave-in cream or leave-in conditioner or curl cream. Don't use a lot of protein-based products on your routine. You can use once in a while, but don't overuse it. That can cause protein overload. But that doesn't mean you don't need to include any protein in your routine. You have to include protein. We all need protein, but you need to balance it. And the last product is hair gel. There is 3 types of hair gel, that is soft hold, medium hold and strong hold. Soft hold gels doesn't give a good definition for it, doesn't have a long lasting hold. So if you have very fine hair, very fine hair, everything is weighing down your hair, then go for soft hold gels. And if you want a long lasting hold, a good definition and a shine and other things, then go for medium to strong hold gels. So these are some soft hold gels and these are some strong hold and medium hold gel. So all of these links you can find in the description box. These are the basics of curly hair products. There are other products for curly hair as well. So ये सब basic products है, but अगर आपको hair gel सूट नहीं कर रहा तो आप क्या करोगे? So in this case, we have mousse or foam. We have custard as well. Mousse or foam, you can say that it is a liquid form of a gel that is more lightweight than a gel. Okay, so if you have fine hair, then go for a mousse. And after, if you have very fine hair, then only mousse can help. But if you have a little coarse or medium coarse kind of, then use a leave-in conditioner curl cream with a mousse. Okay, these are some soft hold mousse, soft hold to medium hold mousse, and this is the OG Ashwa styling foam, which is a one and done styler. It works like a gel and it gives the best, it has the best formula, it gives the best definition, best hold and long lasting hold, everything. It gives a very good shine as well. So even if you have coarse hair, then you can also use this one. But you have to keep in mind that mousse and foam are very lightweight than a hair gel. So if your hair gel weighs down your hair, then you can use a mousse, of course. Or if it doesn't also, you can use a mousse as well. And it dries up quickly. So in CGM, in curly hair care routine, we all know that we have to wait long hours to get our hair dry. So in that case, you can skip hair gel and you can get a mousse. And also mousse or foam is very good for refreshers as well. So what is custard? It has a very jelly-like thick formula that provides very strong hold and strong gel cust as well. So we have one in Indian market, that is Ashwa curling custard. This is for coarse hair specially. So you have to take it and you have to emulsify it with water and then you have to apply it. So if you need a very strong hold gel and if you need a very hard gel cust, then go for this one. So there are some other products, that is texture spray and hair spray. So what is texture spray? Texture spray is something that makes your hair coarser. Okay, if you have fine hair, you can use it to add volume. And what is hair spray? Hair spray is for holding your curls for long lasting results. So hairspray make coarse hair more coarser. So if you have fine hair, you can use it as per your choice. If you have coarse hair, then I will suggest you to use it in less quantity. Just spray 2 times only and you are good to go. It holds your long-lasting curls for longer than usual. Also, it combats frizz as well. If you want to flaunt your hair in some event or anything, then you can use it, but do not use this on everyday purposes. Okay, this is one of the texture spray I love and I will link it in the description box. And this hairspray is something I am really loving it right now, so I will link it in the description box as well. The last products are oils and serums. So oils and serums is a moisturizing products what we can use to do SOTC or after drying our hair. These are for sealing in the moisture and give a very good shine to our hair. So these are some oils recommendations and these are some serums recommendations. You can find the links in the description box. So if you have coarse hair, you can go for a thoda sa zyada oil, but if you have fine hair, then just 1 drops of oil or no serum will work for you. As I don't use oils and serums on my hair, though I have medium coarse hair, because I don't like it, and hair gel gives me a very good shine to my hair. That is why. In the nighttime routine, I do only apply oils on my hair ends to protect it from getting split ends. So the final question is, do you need all of these products? The answer is no. So you have to do the trial and error. You have to experiment it. So my suggestion will be, go with 2 types of shampoo, conditioner or hair mask. Then go for a leave-in conditioner or curl cream, then a hair gel. Just start with this 4 to 5 products, and then if it doesn't work for you, then go for other products and try. Okay, but for fine hair, I will suggest you to use a mousse rather than using a hair gel if you have very thin and fine hair. Okay. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Also comment down your queries if you have any, and also you can check the description box for all the products link. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं मेरे next video पे. Bye bye.